Okay, let's get to work on these chicken wings. I'm chopping up fresh dill, adding in some salt, pepper, pickle juice, and buttermilk. I'll marinate those chicken wings in the fridge for a couple of hours and then line them up on my tray. I'm air frying tonight. I hit them with loads of my boom spice. That easy recipe is on my YouTube channel. Next up is our dipping sauce. I'm using fresh dill, Greek yogurt, salt, pepper, garlic, some fresh lemon juice, and olive oil. It's tzatziki sauce without the cucumber. For even more added flavor, I'm melting some butter, garlic, and hickory smoked sauce to baste these chicken wings in. Give this easy recipe a try and enjoy your comfort food. Please also remember to like the video and throw a comment down below so you can see more great easy recipes.
I gotta get ready. Don't forget the push and pull. Take the flat, you push it, dip it if you want, and you pull it.